Good morning, Standard 4. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine. So, children, today I am going to start the new worksheet of unit number 8, worksheet number 3. So, the topic is addition. Addition by regrouping. Addition by regrouping. Children, in earlier classes I have explained you the addition of the whole number by regrouping, and whenever you are doing the classes of the measurement like length, weight and capacity, in that also topic you have done addition by regrouping. So here the topic is time. We are related with, here addition is related with time, so it's a little bit different from that. So all of you must you have remember that 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. Okay, always keep in mind whenever you are doing the addition, this relationship you have to remember. Now let us start to add 4 hours 30 minutes and 2 hours 55 minutes. So firstly we will make the arrange these numbers. This 4 hours 30 minutes, it is a one number, and 2 hours 55 minutes, it is a one number, another number. So firstly we will arrange these numbers in column. Here now column is hours and minutes, right? So firstly I will write 30 minutes in the minute column and then 4 hours in the hour column, and then below that we will write 55 minutes just below this 30 and 2 hours just below this 4. Now we will put the sign of addition and will start to add. So same as in the case of the whole number, from which side you start to add, children? To the right side. So here also when we are doing addition related to the time, we will start with this right hand side. We will start with the smaller unit, that is minute. So firstly we will add this 30 and 55 will be added. So 30 and 55 when they are added, it will give you 85 minutes. Now this 85 minute you have to split it. There is a 60 minute is there, so remove 60 minutes from it and then separate 60 minute from 85 and then 25 minute. Okay, 60 plus 25 is equal to 85. Now this 60 minute is equal to 1 hour and 25 minutes, right? This 25 minute you have to write in this minute section, 25, and this hour section, 1 hour, it will go as a carryover in the hour section, right? Now we will add it. It is 25 minute and 1 hour is added. Now we will add 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 7 hours 25 minutes. What I have done? Firstly I have arranged these numbers 4 hours 30 minutes. So here what I have done, it's 4 hours 30 minutes and 2 hours 55 minutes are added. So you have to add it. So this 4 hours 30 minutes, it is a one number, one unit, and 2 hours 55 minutes, it is also a one unit. So we will make the firstly column hours and minute. I will arrange these numbers in a hours and minute column. So 4 hours 30 minutes, 4 hours 30 minutes. Below that we will write 2 hours 55 minutes. Just below 4 write 2, just below 30 write 55. Now here according to the rule of the addition, we will start to add from right hand side of minute unit. So start to add 30 plus 55 is 85. Now this 85, we split this 85 in two parts, 60 plus 25, and this 60 minute is equal to 1 hour and 25 minutes. This 25 minutes will come here in this minute section. And this 1 hour, it will go as a carryover in the hour column, and then we add 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7 is 7 hour. Now let us take another example. So let us go to the another point. Question number 2. What time will it be 4 hours after 5:40 a.m.? What time will it be 4 hours after 5:40 a.m.? So we will go forward. We have to go forward. Correct? So here 5:40. All of you look here carefully. 5:40 a.m. Right? So we have to go forward 1 hour. I have to move 4 hours forward to 5:40. So I will move firstly 1 hour, and then it will become, after 1 hour we will do addition. It will become 6:40 a.m. Right? Again I will take a jump of 1 hour. Okay, and then here it will become, we will do addition, it will become 7:40 a.m. 1 hour, 2 hour. Right? Now here again I am taking 1 hour jump and then do addition. It will become 8:40 a.m. Again I will take 1 hour jump, add it, it will become 9:40 a.m. Right? So what we have to do, in order to get the time, we add what we have done. In order to get the time, we add 4 hours with 5 hour 40 minutes. So what I have done here, in order to get the time, what I have added? I have added hours and minutes. I have added 4 hours with 5 hours 40 minutes. This is 5 hour 40 minutes. Right? And I have added 4 hours with it. So what I have got it? 9 hours 40 minutes. So what is the time? The time will be what? 4 hours after 5:40 a.m. It will be 9:40 a.m. So this is the second type of question. Now we will discuss worksheet number 3, question number 1. So in question number 1, there is addition. Question number 1, add. Right? So in question number 1, the addition is there. So what you will do? Find the sum. Find the sum. What I have done? Question is 2 hours 10 minutes and 3 hours 25 minutes. So what you will do? Firstly, we have to arrange these numbers in a column of hours and minutes. Now firstly insert 2 hours 10 minutes. Then below that 3 hours 25 minutes. Put the addition sign, start to add. We will start from right hand side with the smallest unit, that is minute. So 10 plus 25, it is 35 minutes. And 2 plus 3 is 5 hours. One thing is to be noted. In this minute hand, you can keep only up to 59 minutes. As it in the addition, here 60 will appear. This 60 minute, all of you know that it is equal to 1 hour. So 60 minute will convert into 1 hour. It will come in the hour section. So in the minute section, whenever you are doing addition, only this number you can keep here only up to 59. So this 35 is less than 59, so you can keep it here. When it is more than 59, then we have to split that number. We have to convert that number into hours, because 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. When it is more than 60 or equal to 60, then it will be, there is a hour is hidden in that. So come to the next example. Next example is related to this. Next example is 1 hour 35 minutes and 9 hours 25 minutes. Here all of you see. Firstly, I am making the column of hours and minutes. Now we insert this 1 hour 35 minute, 1 hour 35 minute. Now below that write down 9 hours in the hour section, just below 1, and 25 just below 35. Now we will do addition. Here firstly we will start to add this minute hand. So 35 plus 25 is equal to what? 60. Yes, what I have told you, when you are adding in minute unit and it is 60, then you cannot keep it here. So 60 minute, it means it is 1 hour, and minute is 0. There is no minute is there. So this 0 will come over here in the minute section, and this 1 hour, it will go as a carryover in the hour section. Now we do addition. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So it is 11 hours and 0 minutes. Right? So in this way you have to do question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, what time will it be? So question is 2 hours after 3:30 a.m. So firstly you go forward. Okay. We go forward of 3:30 a.m. Firstly I will start with 1 hour. 1 hour. Now it becomes, after adding 1 hour, it becomes 4:30 a.m. Now again we have to complete 2 hours plus 1 hour. It will become 5:30 a.m. So what I have done? I have added this 2 hours with 3:30 a.m. So make the column 2 hours, hours and minute. Write down time 3:30. We have to add 2 hours. 2 hours, 0 minute. We do the addition. You will get 30 and 5. So it is 5 hours 30 minutes. So the time is equal to 5:30 a.m. So this is the answer. Now let us take another example. Let us take another example. Example is 3 hours 10 minutes after 1:25 a.m. So what we will do after? We will go forward. Move forward. What? After 1:25 a.m. 1:25 a.m. We start to move. We have to move 3 hours 10 minutes forward. So start from 1 hour. I'll take jump 1 hour. I will add. Now it will become 2:25 a.m. Now again I will take jump of 1 hour addition. It is added. It will become 3:35 a.m. Now after 1 hour again addition, it will become 3:25 a.m. Okay. So 1 hour plus 1 hour, 2 hour. I have to move 3 hour. Again I will add 1 hour. It will become 4:25 a.m. Next I have to, this 3 hour is completed, I will have to add 10 minutes. So I will take a jump of 10 minutes. I will add it with this 4:25. It will become 4:35 a.m. So what I have done, I have added just 3 hours 10 minutes with 1 hour 25 minutes. So make the hour and minute section 1 hour 25 minutes. Write down 3 hours 10 minutes. We will do addition. So we start from here, 25 plus 10, 35 minutes, and 1 plus 3, 4 hours. So here the time will be, 4:35 a.m. So now what is your work? Your work is, classwork is, you have to do question number 1. So C work is question number 1 and H work is question number 2. So children, I think each and every section is discussed. So if you have any problem, you may contact me in my WhatsApp number. Till then, goodbye. Shabba khair. Bye bye.
कुमार सुंदरम मैम, ये देखिए, ये है फर्स्ट पेज टाइम एंड कैलेंडर का। ये सेकंड पेज, ये है थर्ड पेज, ये फोर्थ पेज, ये है फिफ्थ पेज।